freaky bitch.
Hello friends, this is Krishna Kanshil with another bike update. So we have come up today with the Harley-Davidson Street Bob. Okay, this is 2015 Dyna Harley Street Bob. So we have done many things to this bike, like we have restored it to new. Okay, all you see on this bike is powder coated and jet black and matte black combination. The special thing about this bike are the gangster strips which we have installed to this bike, which you could see, the forward footrest and much more. Let us know how did you find this beautiful and gorgeous Harley. Let us know how did you find this ride. Thank you, Krishna Kanshil signing off.
Neem aan het over, stap voor stap. Over de stek net Hans Kassan. Hans Kassan. Hans Kassan. Hans Kassan. Over de stek net Hans Kassan.
Sunbed shooty, just got a tan. Bad girl, show me what you do for your man. Wrap my money in a elastic band. She wanna go Novi or Hakkasan. Me's not breathing a ratchet gal. That one's a demon, she's not halal man. Give gal jokes, no brizz, are you mad? I'll do man bait for my gal and my gang. 2-2 like said that she celibate too. Delicate, give her the elephant. Relevant, I'm in my element. Life is sweet, still pull up and pepper them. 2-2 like said that she celibate too. Delicate, give her the elephant. Relevant, I'm in my element. Life is sweet, still pull up and pepper them.
Beetje dit, beetje dat. Niks dat moet, maar alles hier mag. Neem aan het over, stap voor stap. Over de stek net Hans Kassan. Hans Kassan. Hans Kassan. Hans Kassan. Over de stek net Hans Kassan.
A little bit of this, a little more of that. Like till we fish, then I'm back and back. Shorty can bend like an acrobat. Bring all of her